Put gelatin in the toilet deposit and you will thank me forever. Pay close attention, because when you know this trick, you will run to do it right now. We all use the bathroom toilet every day, so it is of utmost importance to keep it clean and with a good smell, because otherwise it will be a bad taste for visitors. Today, I will teach you a very easy, cheap, and fast trick that I am sure you have not seen anywhere else, and using a gelatin envelope. To start, we will take 2 gelatin envelopes that are preferably tasteless. You can choose the brand you prefer. We will start by adding 100 milliliters of water in a glass container. Then, we take the 2 tasteless gelatin envelopes and pour them into the water. With the help of a spoon, we mix until they are well integrated. I would like to know from which country you are watching me, so I will send you a greeting in a next video. Today's special greeting is dedicated to Luz Acosta, who is watching us from Colombia. Next, we will add 3 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate and mix again. Bicarbonate is a powerful multi-purpose cleaner that we should all have at home. We will also need 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of deodorant of the smell you prefer. I am sure you will be impressed by this tip today. If you wish, you can also add a little dye, although this is optional. For the next part, we will need a plastic bottle of water or soda. Now, with the help of a knife, we cut just in half, as I show you on the screen, since this will help us store this mixture. Next, we pour the mixture into the bottle. Then we take it to the refrigerator and let it rest for about 2 hours until it thickens. Once the time has passed, we take it out of the refrigerator. With the help of scissors, we will cut the bottle until the gelatin is removed. This amount that we prepare will be more than enough to use for 6 weeks. With the help of a knife, I will cut the gelatin into smaller pieces to use it little by little. Next, we take a disposable mask, and with the help of a scissor, we will cut one of the edges. Once this is done, I will take one of the pieces that I had reserved, and I will put it inside. Now we tie it well with the bow. And we are ready to use. We go to the toilet deposit and put it in the tank. We will use one of the ties to hang, and that does not sink. What we did will leave your toilet perfumed, clean, and free of bacteria. As you leave the toilet, you will notice how a rich and colorful aroma will come out. If you got to this part of the video, leave me the phrase, "gelatin for my bathroom," so I will know that you saw the full video.